in 3, 2, 1.
And the match begins with Valley Catholic team 11556 managing to get down, but does not manage to get its marker in, but does not manage to move the gold mineral. Team 750 plunging itself into the crater, and Team 187 managing to go inside of their depot. But
187 has claimed it. 11556 very narrowly falling over. Very, very tense, if you ask me.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Let's see if 11556 can recover in the teleoff phase.
1.
And the players pick up their controllers as Team 750 zooms off to the races to challenge their opponent.
11556 stuck a little bit, but they managed to get off the crater and not fall over.
It seems that one of the components of 187's robot is broken, and it seems to be dragging behind them.
It looks like 187's robot malfunctioned during the autonomous stage. They landed, but it doesn't look like they're going to be getting back up. 11556 lines up with 2 gold minerals, dropping them right into the blue side of the lander as 6712 prepares to do the same with hopefully a pair of silver.
And as they raise their crane up, they release and they score 1.
8712 not getting that other
a second.
one out.
And 2. There we go.
2. 750 guarding their little corner, making sure no one's getting over to the depot. 11556 seems to have fallen asleep on the job.
And a quick announcement. If you were in the previous qualification, remember to return your flags. We will paint the red with the red section of the teams with your blood.
Getting back to the match, 750 moving over to the red depot, maybe to steal. That being said, they aren't going to have much time to get those minerals across, especially given how in 5 seconds we're going to end game.
And Team 750 playing aggressively as usual. Oh no, but it seems that their reattachment mechanism got disattached from themselves.
It looks like 750 is not going to be able to get back up either. Their latch has come off the rails. 6712, however, is not stopped. It looks like they're going to their side of the lander, trying to set up and connect their latch. It's hard to tell from here. It looks like they're going up. 6712 managing to pull themselves off the ground with 5 seconds to spare, and it looks like the field has gone to sleep.
And this would be the game-winning play, folks, as the end game and the automated are the most integral segments of the game. And we got the results from Qualification 18 with Red Alliance as the winner with 175 points.
Of course, Blue Alliance coming in with 128 wasn't all too far behind, but their end game showing wasn't strong enough to put them out on top.